Alright guys, it's going to be an unboxing of the Fitbit Charge 3. Just came out. Retails around 150 bucks. So pretty good price compared to the Apple Watch. So here you go inside. You got the watch on top. I got the rose gold with the blue band. Comes right off. And then let's see what we got inside here. Looks like an additional band and the charger. So the charger on this guy is something you do not want to lose because this piece is pretty unique. If you see this here, it's like a holder, I guess, with two little AC ports on it. So you definitely don't want to lose that. And that's about all it comes with. Some instructions. That's about it. So here is the watch. Looks nice. Nice rose gold color. I'm going to take this plastic off here. So looks pretty similar to previous charges. I think there's some additional features, including some fitness stuff. So looks good. Looks like they added some sensors on the back here. So I will charge her up and we will see what's going on with this. Alright, so the next thing that it says to do is to go ahead and download the Fitbit app, which I have already done here. And here you will see some of my old stuff from my previous Fitbits. So let's click on here, set up a device. Which device are we setting up? Charge 3. Set up your Fitbit Charge 3. So much of, stuff to read. So the interesting thing I found is there's actually no instructions within the unboxing. So here is where it shows you how to put it on. Looks like you open the side tabs, put it directly on so the middle bits connect, and go ahead and plug it in. So I will do that now and then come right back. Alright, so this is the screen you get once you plug in the device here. It says fitbit.com/setup, and we'll go from there. Alright, so now that we got the device plugged in, we're going to select next here, allow. It's going to search for the device. It tells you to keep the thing plugged in the whole time. Let me make sure my Bluetooth is not on. Oh yes, it is on, okay. Found it. So now my tracker pops up with the numbers to pair it. It just says 0815 on it. It should connect to the tracker. On the Fitbit screen, I just got a check mark. Looks like there is an update available. That's happens pretty often in new devices. So looks like it's gonna take over 30 minutes. So pretty much that's how you set it up, and that was the unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about it, and yeah, enjoy.